Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of face-to-face to online transition. Today we will be looking at how can we get thousands of templates for free from templates.office.com. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am in templates.office.com site. Many of us are not aware of this because when you start a PowerPoint presentation, the design idea just pops up, but there are thousands of other templates that you can browse from this website. This site has Word templates, Excel templates. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the categories here. So these are all the categories that we have, and I'm going to go ahead and click on diagrams for now. And if you're a science teacher, can you imagine what a blessing this is to have a pre-designed template just for you? So now let's go ahead and take a look at education. Where is education? So here it is. And all you have to do is simply download it and you have it ready for you. So here is teach a course if you want to have a PowerPoint presentation for teaching a course. And as you can see, it will tell you what kind of template it is. It's a Word document, here it's a PowerPoint. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. And here you can simply download it or edit this in a browser. So let me go ahead and download this. So I have downloaded this and here is what it looks like. So this is a teacher course. I'm just going to scroll all the way up here. So this is teacher course. That's the name of the template. And I have course lesson 1, lesson 2, course outline. So this is a beautiful template. I think I'm going to use this one. But there are many more templates that you can simply go ahead and browse from. So I'm back here in this template category page and you see there are thousands of templates that I can simply go ahead and pick one, and all I have to do is click on it and download it. There are flyers, there are, let's see, newsletters, there is resume and cover letters. So I like this website a lot, and I usually try to edit from here because it's my work gets very minimal. And I hope you enjoy this site and always have this available for your students as well so they can take use of all these free templates. Thank you and happy teaching.